Your Geography Minute, Geography Fact. Do Spanish washing machines actually have settings for when you stain your clothes with tomato or wine? Yes, many washing machines in Spain and across the Mediterranean region feature specialized, highly specific settings, including dedicated programs for removing tomato sauce, olive oil, and red wine stains, with settings often tailored for local culinary habits. Now, these specialized stain settings demonstrate how appliance manufacturers can and do customize features for local cultures. While European machines often have these stain specific settings, here in the US, some of GE's models offer a stain removal guide with options for red wine and tomato sauce. And that's your Geography Minute, Geography Fact.